Hi, I thought I'd just share this. I'm taking the sign off the old lab, and thank you very much to CNC Design who actually made this, sent it into the mailbag many years ago. Can't remember how long. Anyway, the sign has been there and it's a real dog to get off. I've put, that's what's left of the lab, by the way. There you go. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. Ooh, giant flippy dots. Yeah, so slowly get in there. Anyway, there's, CNC Design, there you go. I think they're in the Netherlands, somewhere in the Nordics. Anyway, I held it on with 2 strips of double-sided adhesive. Believe it's like Tarzan's Grip brand, for those playing along at home, and like, it's really a pain to get it off. Anyway, so I just thought I'd share that I'm using a PCB Hacksaw to get under here like this. Like, it looks loose now, but ooh, it's coming off. It's coming off. Oh, and it's intact. There you go. Geez, I won't be using that stuff anymore. Well, it's damn good stuff, but yeah, I think technically we're not allowed to have these signs because they're like 3-dimensional kind of thing. Anyway, I think I'll stick it on the new glass. It's only a problem if someone complains, right? Anyway, catch you next time. Oh, got no hands to press stop. There you go. Isn't that sad?